nearly every architect will always say they want to make projects which really change people's lives. For the residents in here, I think this project has done that.
Appleby Blue is a new imagination of what older persons living in central London can be. It's a beautifully designed building which provides 57 homes for 65 older people.
The arrangement is based on a traditional almshouse, and what we did is we flipped that idea around and we put the accommodation for residents around the back of the site and the sides, and at the front we put the shared rooms, and then on top of those another C-shaped arrangement which sits above, creating at the centre a kind of garden court.
It was really important to the charity that the building felt part of Bermondsey right from the start.
The building very much grows out of its site and out of its place. We built to the edges of the site, and we put the shared social spaces for residents and the broader community directly on the high street, so they were very visible and very accessible.
Sociability is built right into the heart of this building. People can engage with each other at varying degrees. They can go to a community centre downstairs, they can meet people from outside, or they can meet their fellow neighbours, or they can sit in their walkways outside their homes.
I get to sit there and peep at my neighbours. So I enjoy that.
And this gaff stops you from being depressed. It's absolutely beautiful, man. And it's helped me to heal so much.
The fact it's been imagined in a very integrated way. It's a social housing project, an almshouse for older people, but through the quality of the way it's made, through the gardens, through the openness to other organisations and people being able to interact with others, is a very strong model for the future.